Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Karina. If you are new, if you're swinging by, hey, hi, what's up? Today's video is going to be yet another drugstore review. I know if you guys are tired of these, let me know. Even though I don't think you're tired of these because I know you guys love my drugstore reviews. So tons of you, first of all, were tagging me on the LA Colors page because they released some new concealers. So yeah, that's what we are going to be doing today, guys. I was lucky enough to receive all 24 shades, like 20, no wait, not 24. Yes, 24 matte shades. 24, like, yes, thank you, LA Colors. We're going to be swatching every single shade, and then obviously I'm going to try it on my eyes. My eyes are a little bit red, and my circle, or my dark circles, are not playing today. If you guys are interested in seeing a review, a full review, swatches, and my opinion on the brand new Ultimate Cover Concealer by LA Colors, go ahead and keep on watching. And before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your little bell, your little campanita, to be notified with all my videos. And with that said, let's jump right into this video, you guys. I had to zoom you guys in so you can see up close and personal all the baggage, all the dark circles. Look at how red my nose is. I'm pretty sure it's my allergies. Anyway, so I pulled up the LA Colors website. This is, again, their Ultimate Cover Concealer. Now, this one retails for $5. $5. That price cannot be beat. Obviously, we're gonna see if these are worth $5 because I know that the e.l.f. Camo Concealer is also $5, and that one is really good. It's full coverage. So let me go ahead and read you some information off the back of my very bented little card. Now, this is Full Coverage Concealer is a makeup artist's ultimate tool. Conceal and smooth any imperfections for a flawless looking finish, or use to contour and highlight for a chiseled look. 24 matte shades, including 3 sheer color correctors. A little goes a long way, especially with the oversized extra large applicator. That is the tea on that. All right, you guys, let's pull up some shades here. We're first going to color correct. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I swatched the yellow one and the green one yesterday just because I really wanted to take a look at the applicator. The applicator is bomb.com. It's very similar to the Tarte Shape Tape. It's huge, which is perfect. Like, I love these types of applicators. I'm gonna put some lotion in my hands because they feel ashy. As I was saying, I personally love the applicators on concealers that are big, or I like for them to be that size because it just makes it easier for application and you don't have to like a double dip or anything. So I did really like the concealer applicator, the wand, but it says here that they are sheer white corrector, sheer green corrector, and sheer orange corrector. Now the sheer white corrector is for brightening or lightening any shades. The green one is to combat redness, and the orange is to cover dark spots. So when I was swatching them on the back of my hand, I mean, I'm just going to show you guys. I'm going to shut up and show you. So let's do a little here, right? The formula is very strange. I don't even know how to describe it. I don't know. It almost feels too creamy. It doesn't feel like a corrector or a concealer, and once you start blending it in, it really shears out to almost nothing. We're gonna try it either way. I'm going to apply the orange corrector to conceal darkness underneath the eyes. I'm also going to bring it up here. I'm also going to color correct this dark spot here. So we're just going to apply this here. Then for the heck of it, I'm going to take a little bit of the white one, and I'm just going to apply it here to really brighten this area up on the face. Okay, yikes. I think I let this sit on the skin for too long and it's not blending out really nice. It's almost like just sitting on top of the skin. I don't know, it's weird. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I don't like the correctors at all. So I'm actually going to wipe them off because I feel like it's going to ruin my opinion or thoughts on the concealer. These have to, first of all, be blended out right away, but they just don't really cover anything. Like I said, the formula is very strange. I've never felt anything like that, and they set really quickly. So not a fan of the correctors, unfortunately. Let's just hope the concealers are a little bit better. I usually like to do my foundation first and then we go in with the concealer. I am going to apply my foundation. I'm just going to speed up the process since we're not doing a foundation review for the sake of the video. I'm going to go in with my LA Colors Truly Matte Long Wearing High Pigment Foundation. I mix Golden Beige and Cafe because obviously Cafe is a little dark and this one's a little light. So I'm going to mix these, apply them, and then we go in with the concealer. Let's get into some swatches so I can decide what color it's going to be for me. We're going to be doing all swatches here on the arms, and I'll give you guys the names as we go. So if you guys want to pull out your little pen and paper or your little notepad on your phone, pull it out now and let's start swatching. So I'm actually just going to go in the exact same order of the card. So we're going to start with the shade Ivory, and we're going to finish with the shade Espresso. Ivory, Porcelain, Vanilla, Natural, Neutral, Nude, Beige, Peachy Beige, Cool Beige, Wheat, Golden. This might be the shade for me, so I'm actually going to put this to the side. Cashew, Honey, Almond or Almond. I don't know why I said almond. Almond. I feel like I'm saying that wrong. Caramel or caramel, however you choose to say it. That is actually a really pretty contour shade, so I'm also going to set that to the side. Golden Sand. This one is slightly peachy. Toast. Oh my god, I am running out of room here. Toast. These deeper shades are really pretty. I like them. Mocha. Cafe. Oh, this one is rich. That is beautiful. Two more. Truffle. Slightly darker than Cafe. The very last one is Espresso. There you have it, you guys. Those are all 24 matte shades from LA Colors. Now let's begin the real. Let's start spilling the real tea here. Okay, so I ended up with 3, 4, 5 shades. I don't know why I picked out so many shades, but we're just gonna roll with it. Okay, so I ended up grabbing Peachy Beige at the end because it was super peachy. So we're actually going to use this to color correct a little bit. I'm really just going to apply it right here into the inner corner of the eye. And then we're going to blend that out, and then we're going to go in with a real concealer, and we can do a little bit of contouring. What do you guys think? This definitely does not have the same formula as the correctors. This feels like an actual concealer. The other one, like I said, I don't know how to describe the formula. It's just very strange. Let's take a little bit of honey and see how this one works. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Okay, I'm only going to blend one eye out to see how it looks, if it makes a difference or if it doesn't. I mean, for a $5 concealer to make my skin look like this, no pues wow. Do you guys see how smooth out my skin looks? Okay. Let's go in on this side, and the coverage or the concealer itself feels very creamy. The scent is not bad. There is a slight scent to it, but nothing that's like bothersome. Do you guys see how like easily that just blended into the skin? I really like how this concealer is blending out. I am just going to set, and I'm going to use my good old Hourglass Veil powder. While we let this bake, let's go ahead and do some cream contouring. I'm going to take the shade Toast, which is just a little bit deeper than my skin tone. And I'm just going to dot it a little bit because this is like full coverage. I'm just going to take my little Japanese brush and we're going to blend that out. I'm only going to add a little bit because this stuff is creamy and pigmented. I love that this concealer, it almost sets itself because it is a matte finish. Where have you been all my life? It's true, their packaging did say a little goes a long way, and a little definitely goes a very long way. Even for me that I have a big old cara de torta, like a little goes a long way. I almost don't even want to set the skin because I really don't feel like I need to at this point because concealer is not like crazy matte, but it has a beautiful matte finish that I just don't feel the need to go over and like powder it. I'm just quickly going to apply a little bit of blush and highlight to this skin, and I think we're going to conclude this video because there's not much to say. I'm sold. Nose is snatched, the face is highlighted. I'm not going to do the rest of my makeup on camera because, para qué, for what? I got to film 10 more videos today. So with that said, what are my thoughts? Do we approve? Do we not approve of the new LA Colors concealers? Oh my god, you guys. This concealer is amazing. I mean, look at the coverage on my forehead. I look like a very tan biscuit right now. I look like I just came out of the oven. And I'm living, I look like a deep fried little chicken or something because my skin is just so bronzy and I love it. I just love the concealer. I love how it blended. I love the coverage on it. I love the applicator. I love the price. There's like really nothing that I don't like about this. Even the color selection, the shade range, I think it's pretty good. So if you guys find these, don't sleep on them. Pick yourself 1, 2, or maybe 3 because these are really, really good. That is it for me, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this drugstore concealer review. There's so many products dropping that like mama can't keep up. But if you guys see any products that you guys want me to review in specific, especially if it's drugstore, drop it in the comment section down below. I am always like looking through the comments. I'm always spying on you guys, lurking. So let me know if there is anything that you guys see or know that is coming up that you would want me to review. And even if it's not drugstore, So let me know in the comment section. Thank you for joining me today. I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye! Toodles!